Hello everyone, welcome to Mentor Buddy. This is your mentor Akhil. Today we are going to understand the concept of percentages. Again, percentages is one topic which is helpful in most of the coming topics. Now, coming to the concept of percentage. So, in case of percentage, we always have to consider the data with respect to 100 because percent implies with respect to 100. So in case if I need to see the value of 50 with respect to 100, that'll be equals to 50%. Similarly, if I have to see the value of 1 with respect to 2, so we have to see always in denominator we require the number to be as 100. So in order to get the number 100, again I'll multiply by 50 in numerator and denominator. This will become 50 by 100. That'll be equals to 50%. Similarly, whenever any sort of data is given and we need to figure out the value with respect to percent, in order to solve the question in the simplest approach, we need to always consider the value with respect to 100x. Now why I have considered the value 100x? Because percent is always with respect to 100 and 100 and 100x, sorry, 1 by 100 and 100x can be easily ruled out. So we are going to get the answer in a integral form. Now let's understand this concept in a given question. Coming directly to the question, it says 40% of the employee of a certain company are men and 75% of the men earn more than 25,000 per year. If 45% of the company employee earn more than 25,000 per year, then what is the fraction of women employed by the company earn more than 25,000? And the listed options are 2 by 11, 1 by 4, 1 by 3 and 3 by 4. Now the simplest approach to solve this kind of question is considering this is the respective lot of people initially present in the company, and I'm considering that lot to be as 100x. So 100x are the total number of people who were initially present in the group. Now further it says 40% of the employees are men. So out of this, in case if we need to figure out the men and women, question clearly says the 40% of the people are men. So 40% of 100x will be 40x, and definitely then remaining 60% is going to be women. So women are going to be 60x. Now further it says 75% of the men earn more than 25,000. So 75% is basically 3 by 4. So I am further dividing the men into two classes. First class which are earning more than 25,000 and the second class which are earning less than 25,000. So it says 75% of the people earn more than 25,000. So 75% will be 3 by 4 of 40, that will be equals to 30x. So 30x out of 40x are earning more than 25,000. So remaining 10x will be earning less than 25,000. Then coming to the further detail of the question, it says 45% of the company employees earn more than 25,000. Implies out of these entire 100x, 45% implies 45% of the 100x, that goes to 45x. So 45x of the total employees earn more than 25,000. So we can see if out of these 45x, 30x are involved as a men, then definitely the number of women who are earning more than 25,000 will be 15x, because the question says 45%, that is 45x, are total earning more than 25,000. So if 30x are earning more than 25,000, then definitely 15x will be earning more than 25,000 will be women. So the number of women who are earning less than 25,000 will be remaining. Out of 60x, 15x of the women are earning more than 25,000. So remaining 45x are earning less than 25,000. Now coming to the question. Question says, what fraction of women employed by the company earn more than 25,000 per year? So we can see we need to figure out the women which were earning more than 25,000 upon the total women is going to be the respective fraction which is asked. So the percentage of women earning more than 25,000 is 15x and the total women are 60x. Solving this, x will be ruled out, that will be equals to 1 by 4. So we can see that is option number B. So the correct answer is going to be option number B, that is 1 by 4.